Amid massive protest over the rape and murder of a 31-year-old doctor in Kolkata, the West Bengal Assembly passed the Aparajita Bill to amend some provisions in the Criminal Code, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, for the state. These amendments make penalties for rape and child abuse more stringent. So, what are these laws and what are these new changes? We explain. The bill seeks to amend several sections in the newly introduced Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The Bengal legislation tweaks Section 64 in BNS to enhance the jail term. The Aparajita Bill also seeks to lay down penalties for a convict if the rape leads to victim's death or causes her to be in a vegetative state. While the central legislation lays down 20 years jail term, life imprisonment and death for such a crime, the Bengal bill says that the convict should get only death penalty. The Bengal legislation has done away with the option of a 20-year jail term and laid down provisions of life term and death for those convicted of gang rape. The bill also toughens the penalty in cases relating to publicizing the identity of a victim of sexual violence. While the BNS has provision of jail term up to 2 years in such cases, Aparajita Bill provides for imprisonment between 3 and 5 years. The Bengal legislation also toughens the punishment in child abuse cases as laid down by the Protection of Children and Sexual Offences (POSCO) Act. Besides toughening penalties, the Bengal legislation includes provisions for settling up special courts to hear sexual violence cases and task forces to investigate them. The legislation moved by the ruling Trinamool Congress cleared the Bengal House comfortably, with the support of both the ruling party and the opposition. But it will need both the governor and the president assents before it can come into force.